How do I apply for a new CRN number?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk you through how to apply for a new CRN, or Customer Reference Number, a unique identifier often used in various institutions, such as healthcare or educational institutions.
What is a CRN?
First things first, let's understand what a CRN is. A Customer Reference Number, CRN, is a unique identifier that an organization assigns to its customers. This is especially prevalent in public services like healthcare, where these numbers help streamline information and service delivery.
Why do I need a CRN?
A CRN is important because it helps an organization identify you quickly and efficiently. It's often used to access services, update personal information, or perform various transactions.
How to apply for a CRN?
Applying for a CRN typically involves the following steps. 1. Contact the organization you require the CRN from. This could be an educational institution, healthcare provider, or other service provider. 2. Complete their application process. This may include filling out a form, either online or on paper, and providing necessary information. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. 3. Submit the application. After you've filled out the application, submit it as directed by the organization. This could be online, by mail, or in person. 4. Wait for processing. After submitting, your application will be processed. The time this takes can vary greatly depending on the organization. 5. Receive your CRN. Once your application has been processed and accepted, the organization will provide you with your unique CRN. Please note that the exact process can vary depending on the organization, so it's essential to reach out to the specific organization for precise instructions. And that's it. We hope this guide helps you understand the process of applying for a new CRN. Remember, if you're unsure about any step, it's always best to contact the organization directly for assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your application.